Hello guys, today I'm going to give you guys a quick guide on how to install Google Play Store on any Redmi Note 11 series. First off, we need to turn on our Wi-Fi. We need to connect on Wi-Fi, or you can use mobile data. Go to Get Apps. Simply click on the search bar. Simply type Google Play Store. Don't forget the space. And press search. Here you can see Google Play. Simply press update and just wait. After installing, if you can see here the open, we can simply exit Get Apps. And finally, we have here Google Play Store. After opening Google Play Store, we suggest you to go to Updates and check if there's any updates. And just simply update. After updating, you can just sign in normally. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more contents like this. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.